Hey, I'm Sarah Wolf from reviewsbysarah.com.
Today I'll show you how to wrap thread around metal bracelets. You'll need some metal bracelets, yarn or thread, and glue. I'll first show the basic bracelet. I'm using a glue by Beacon that sticks nicely to metal. Luckily, it doesn't stick to fingers. After gluing the thread onto the bangle, wrap it around like this. You can use the same color, or change colors. If you run out, glue the end. Then restart a new thread. Once you are done, open a jump ring. It's good to open jump rings like this instead of tugging at their sides. Place on the bracelet like this. Add some bling. Close the jump ring. You are done with the basic one. Another variation is to use a thicker bracelet. After wrapping the thread around, use either gems or beads and glue them to the bracelet. Glue another thread to the bangle and wrap it around evenly to secure the gems or beads. If you have a stretchy bead bracelet, just slip it over the bangle, then wrap it with thread. In the craft stores, they carry all kinds of neat beads and metal pieces you can use. Finally, in this variation, I'm combining several bracelets. Once you've wrapped each with thread, combine them together. After doing several of these, you can change up the colors. Add maybe gems and beads together. Combine several of them together for an intricate bracelet. And that's how I wrap thread around bracelets.